Do you remember that scooter I had? Well, I kind of got a bit of an upgrade. Let me show you. So if you remember my old scooter, that was 1000 watts because it's electric. So 1000 watts, that was making around 30 kilometers per hour. Well, this beast right here, this is 1800 watts. So not actually double, but near double that my old one. And it's a beast. Like, look at this thing, the size of it. And the old one had around 3 hours of playing time on it with a full charge. This has like 6 hours or 7 even. Like, it's over double. It's mad. Anyway, I'll have a separate review for the scooter on the channel coming soon, but for now I'll show you some of the shit. Reason why I got an upgrade was my old scooter was constantly breaking down, even though like I went over a curve and like a spring came off or the chain went loose, and I went down to get it fixed, but sometimes they said it was fixed and it actually wasn't fixed. So I upgraded this one because the old one was 2016 or something, 2014, something, an old year like that, and parts were hard to get because they didn't make them anymore. So I upgraded this new one, so if anything does go wrong, I can just get parts easier and cheaper probably. So here's the control panel here. I have the key in my hand. The key goes right here in the center. Last time it was up here. Now you just put it in, twist it, and you're ready to go. Over here you have your kilometers per hour. You can switch it to miles per hour. It's pretty cool. It has the time here, and there's different settings for timing if you want to do a speed lap or something. Over here you have your lights, horn. Horn is very loud. I put notes and everything. So over here it says front brake, this says back brake, this says light, and underneath here it says horn. This is turbo. So it has an eco mode, so when you don't want to waste all your battery, it goes like a certain miles per hour to save battery. But when you press the button, it's like turbo mode, so it goes to full speed. I was on it last night, and I just went, it was going like really fast, but then I pressed it, and that's when I figured out the button, and I pressed it, and it put me back in the seat, and I was like, what the f***? I almost fell off the fucking yoke. Like, my handles, like my hands were on the handlebar, and like they almost slipped off. Like I was really gripping on the yoke, but if I wasn't, I say I would have went off the yoke. It's very warm. It's very warm in November. Let me just take off this jacket. Now let's talk about the parts on it, alright? So the parts are pretty cool. I found out a few things. The gold is suspension. Gold suspension. And one thing I seen in the shop is it has a gold chain. Like, who has a bike or a motorbike or a car or anything, you know it's a beast when you have a gold chain. There's 2 disc brakes on it, and they are painted gold too. Not the actual disc, but the brakes. Let's just appreciate of me coming down here and look at this back scenery behind me. It's so nice. That wasn't meant to happen, but it looked pretty cool. If you're from this area and you're watching this video, if you're from where I live and you see me on the scooter, I'm just letting you know now, you're not getting a shot, because the last one I gave too many people a shot and it ended up breaking little parts and it cost me a bit of money. So be only friends. Friends are only allowed on this. You know who you are, and if I kind of don't know you, you're not getting a shot. Just letting you know. End the video here. That scooter ripped the energy out of me. I have no energy, knackered I am. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.